Hello and good morning to everybody. This is Zubair Khan. I welcome you to my channel Voice of Truth, V.O.T. Generally in whole world and with special reference to Europe, a lot is being said regarding upcoming NATO's proxy spring offensive being launched by the Ukraine. What defense professional experts are commenting about this upcoming offensive, I would like to discuss those quotes or comments and then at the end a small analysis. General Mark Milley, chair of the Joint Chief of Staff of USA, warned, and in his words he said, the protracted conflict in Ukraine that could take years to end. The NATO, the United States, Ukraine, and all of the allies and partners that are supporting Ukraine are going to be involved in this for quite some time. We are entering a world that is becoming more unstable, and the potential for significant international conflict between great power is increasing, not decreasing. Rajmund Andrzejak, the Polish Chief of Staff or the Polish Chief of General Staff, he said that the situation does not look good for Kyiv at all. He predicts that Russia can continue conducting the special operation for 1 to 2 more years before it begins to feel any structural pressure to curtail its activities. Kyiv is burning through tens of billions of dollars worth of aid, yet it still remains very far away from achieving its maximum objectives. Poland's Western partners are not properly assessing the challenges that stand in the way of Ukraine's victory. Australian General Ryon analyzed the aerial supremacy enjoyed by Russia will doom the success fate of Ukraine.Spring offensive. He especially quoted the effectiveness of standoff weapon 1.5-ton glide bombs. NATO Chief Stoltenberg said, Moscow is not giving up its ambitions in Ukraine. In the coming weeks, a further Russian push in eastern and southern Ukraine is expected, in which Russia will try to take the entire Donbas region and to create a land bridge to already occupied Crimea. Stefan Wood from Macht Technologies, which provides satellite images, said, the way Russian defenses in south have been prepared and the way these have been fortified, they are likely to offer a lot of resistance to Ukrainian advancing troops. He further said that the chances for Ukraine to gain anything from spring offensive seems to be very remote. Now, in view of the serving US Joint Chief of General Staff, serving Polish Chief of General Staff, Australian General serving NATO boss, and the spokesperson of satellite company, there seems to be a remote chance for any success of Ukrainian offensive. However, a US State Department, which seems to have been hijacked by the Undersecretary Victoria Nuland, is determined to go ahead with the spring offensive on the presumption that something positive will be coming out of this offensive for Ukraine. So let us see whose assessment prevails, the assessment of the US State Department or of US military command.